Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to constantly monitor for network connectivity in a Flutter macOS application. So I'll first show you guys the output. So here I have my Xcode open. I'll quickly run this app. You can run it via command line as well using Flutter run. Either way is fine. So yeah, I am connected to my Wi-Fi network. I'll just click on open anyway. And here you can see internet is available. Now what I'll do is that I'll just I'll just disconnect from my Wi-Fi. Here you can see no internet. If I again connect back to my Wi-Fi, here you can see internet available. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first I have created my Flutter project. Then inside that project I have refactored my homepage widget. So I have first created an event channel. So to constantly listen data from native side to Flutter side, you have to use event channel, and then identifier which I have given is internet connectivity. You can use whatever you feel like. Then I have created a stream subscription. I have created one variable called no data, and inside init state I'm just initializing our stream subscription, and I'm listening for data. And if the data is so here you will get data from the native side. So I'm just checking if data not equal to event. So if it is already, suppose if the value of data is internet available, why you want to change it again? Unnecessary rendering, re-rendering. So that's why I have added this check. If you don't want to, you can ignore this check as well if you want to. So here we are just updating our value, and in case of error I'm just displaying an error message, printing it. And on dispose we are just disposing our subscription. And here UI I have just taken one text, and here I have passed our data variable to it. Now if you see macOS, so I have opened the XE workspace from the macOS folder. Firstly you will have to go to main Flutter window, and here I have imported Coco, Flutter macOS, and imported network as well. Next I have created a NW path monitor. I have created a dispatch queue as well, so that it can monitor it on a separate thread. And I have created this Flutter event sync for this. Okay, so we don't need this. Okay, and here you will have to extend Flutter stream handler as well. Once you do that, you will have to override these two methods, on listen and on cancel. I'll come back to those in a bit. And I have here inside network channel I have used the same identifier which you have defined it on the Flutter side as well. Next we have created our event channel. So I'm passing our network event channel, passing our binary messenger, and setting the stream handler as self. Then we are initializing our network monitor. Then we do network monitor dot path update handler. So here I'm just checking if the path dot status equal to satisfied. That means internet is available. So I'm sending it back to the Flutter side on the main thread, because we are observing this network connectivity on a different thread. Similarly, if there is no internet connectivity, then I'm just saying no network, no internet. And here you will have to override these two methods. So once the event sync has been initialized, then only I start monitoring our network connectivity, and on cancel we send the event sync to nil. And here you can see also, okay, I think I might have removed this code, but you will also require this D in it. And here you have to write network monitor dot start queue. I think we'll have to, is there a stop queue as well? Okay, network monitor dot cancel. So if I just quickly run this just to check whether this works or not, because we want to stop listening for the network monitor once our app is deinitialized. Just click on open anyway. Okay, it is showing. Now I'll just disconnect. Okay, no internet, correct. I'll connect it again. Okay, internet. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.